If you pulled up to this block, you might say to yourself, this looks like a pinnacle build, especially if you've seen some of my work before. From curb to curb, corner to corner, this property is beautifully manicured. We've got the sod, the sprinklers, we kept this beautiful tree, and I went with my usual combinations. Certainteed, cedar impression shake, Boulder Creek stone, Therma-Tru front door, double car driveway. And as soon as you pull up to this house, you can see that from the soffit lights to the board and batten, this builder thought about the details. Now let's go inside so I can show you the interior finishes. Welcome home to Hicksville number 4. If you love an open concept, then this is the right house for you. Right now, we're standing in this wide open living area with these stairs and beautiful trim details taking you upstairs. But right now, let's take a moment to appreciate this kitchen, which is the true focal point of this house. When you walk in the door, you see right away a modern, clean, but also classic kitchen design. I went with the dark gray wood-stained cabinets by Fabuwood with a clean, eased edge, white quartz countertop, and a very subtle light gray, modern looking subway tile backsplash. This entire kitchen is an entertainer's dream. I've thought about every little detail, from where the garbage pail cabinet is, to the location of the dishwasher, a couple drawer brace cabinets, and overall, this is the space where most of the time is gonna be spent in the house, so this is what we made the focal point. Right off the kitchen, we have these sliders to the backyard, the garage entrance right here, and 2 closets, perhaps one for your pantry, one for your coat closet, and this sliding door leads you to another beautiful, complete backyard where all you have to do is bring your patio furniture and start enjoying your backyard. We did the patio, the sod, the sprinklers, the PVC fence, and once again, what we provide is a complete product from the front yard to the backyard, where quality and curb appeal are the main focus. Right off the kitchen, we have this dining room with this awesome trim detail, crown moldings, hi-hats, and room for your chandelier. And of course, the most important feature, especially for my buyers in Hicksville, is a bedroom with a full bath on the first floor. And here we have the beautiful full bath and an adjacent bedroom, a good size, once again with hi-hats, a center light fixture, and we always pre-wire our homes for internet, TV, and security. We even have it set up so that you can install just the TV on the wall and move all your boxes down to a media closet in the basement with a nice clean TV install on the wall. This feature with the bedroom and the full bath is vital for my buyers, and I make sure to include it in every single house I build, especially in Hicksville. And now we're up on the second floor, where I mentioned this before, I like to get a nice wide hallway whenever possible. I think it really sets off the second floor and makes everything seem even more spacious than it is. So over here, we've got 2 bedrooms, equally sized, so nobody's gonna be fighting over bedrooms. A full bath, a linen closet, and let me pause for a second and say, if you see some paint that needs to be touched up or some little details that aren't done yet, it's because we really pushed to get these photos taken today, get this vlog episode out, and start the marketing push, because we're already at the end of May, and I didn't want to hold things up for a little bit of touch-up, so rest assured, the shower doors are coming, so are the paint touch-ups and the closet shelves. So over here, we've got another bedroom, a nice big laundry, and we're standing now in the master bedroom, which to me is the focal point of this entire second floor. You've got this nice and high vaulted ceiling, 4 egress sized windows, and we set it up so the bed wall would be here, nice big TV over there, and the rest of this space is wide open. You can put a dresser over here or whatever you like, and if you come through this way, this hallway leads to a nice big full bath, walk-in closet, pull down stair going to the attic. And this bathroom, and excuse me once again, we're not even close to done with the paint yet, but you get the idea. We've got this soaking tub, double vanity. I love this large format wood look tile on the floor. And once again, I went with a subway tile shower with an accent wall, which is a really nice touch. We're not quite done in the basement yet, but I wanted to bring you down here and show you what we're working with. Typically in a reconstruction, which is what this house is, we'll finish the existing basement. So down here, you can easily have a man cave or a movie theater. We've pre-wired for your TV. We've set up for a playroom for the kids. We even have plumbing and a designated space for a full bath if that's what you're looking to do. And the rest of this space is wide open. We've got a boiler room right here, a couple of closets. And this feature right here is crucial for a lot of our buyers, the outside entrance, which takes you straight to the backyard. and you've got this covered area so water and snow and things like that don't collect. This concludes our home tour of Hicksville number 4. I want to personally thank all of you for watching. If you have any friends or family looking to move into Hicksville, this build is available and complete. And I also have Hicksville number 5, which is just getting out of the ground now and can be fully customized. Once again, thank you for watching. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Have a great day, everyone.